the UK approved Pfizer's vaccine. This is the first approval in the West of any vaccine. And this was done by the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency.
Here we go.
There's a lot of places there's a lot of places and directions we can go with this story. What's interesting in reading that story is they said that a lot of European regulators were still missing a lot of the data, and they cast doubt on the rigor of Britain's review. And to that point, out of Sweden, this is the Switzerland reporting saying that incomplete data stalls Swiss authorization of COVID-19 vaccines. So Switzerland's medical regulator, Swissmedic, said that they're still missing data on the Pfizer, on all three vaccines. Actually, they're missing the safety, efficacy, and quality data on this to make the decision. So a lot of people are saying, hey, UK, where are you getting this info from? How did you approve this so quickly? And is it only based on certain subsets? Because we don't have the data. But what's happening right now, regardless of that piece, leaving that there, what's happening right now is in the UK, they're rushing to retrofit locations. I've read up to 42, 43 locations. The military is helping do that. And keep in mind, this Pfizer vaccine needs to be kept at negative 70 degrees Celsius. So there's also an
That's like
incredible
100 below
supply
0
chain.
Fahrenheit, right?
Right.
Good luck with that, because we have
chain.
100 below freezers everywhere. Not.
Right. Right. So, and you mentioned earlier in the show about legality and logistics about this if injuries happen. So that was answered in a headline just yesterday. This is the legal protection, coronavirus vaccine, Pfizer given protection from legal actions by UK government.
There you go.
This is some incredible quotes in here. The Department of Health and Social Care has confirmed the company has been given an indemnity protecting it from legal action as a result of any problems with the vaccine. Ministers have also changed the law in recent weeks to give new protections to companies such as Pfizer, giving them immunity from being sued by patients in the event of any complications. NHS staff providing the vaccine as well as manufacturers of the drug will also be protected. Here's the kicker on this next quote. In a press conference with journalists on Wednesday, Ben Osborne, Pfizer's UK managing director, refused to explain why the company needed an indemnity. He said, we're not actually disclosing any of the details around any of the aspects of that agreement and specifically around the liability clauses. So there's your transparency as far as that's concerned. Now,
Welcome
in the U.S.
to Real News, people. I bet you this is blowing your mind. It's blowing mine because I haven't seen it on Fox, MSNBC, CNBC, CBS, you name it. No one is telling you these things. It's an experiment, and they don't want you to think about how experimental it is. If you like that clip, then be sure to check out our live broadcast of The High Wire every Thursday morning at 11 a.m. Pacific Time. You can watch it on Facebook, YouTube, iTunes, and Twitter. We'll see you there.